Hey folks, Brian Grant here. I'm going to pick some box food now. I was going to wait close to the weekend before I made my next video. I see what the heck I was going to do it now. So, here, so I can get my tension wrench in. We'll get started. You saw this little lock on the first video with that Chinese lock I got for a buck at the dollar store. And it's open. It's open. Alright. Next, I'm going to do this master number 140 again. Like I said, I ain't got a whole lot of locks in my collection. I've got a disc lock, I took the disc lock, but I don't know where it's at. Here we go. Alright, there we go. Open, 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 open. I need some different locks. Alright, I did not show this one on my last video. This is an outdoor grade master lock. Probably level 7 security. Extension wrench in there.
In addition to Calvin Harris, Black Eyed Peas, and Foo Fighters. And in other music news, pop rock band The Raspberries are re-releasing an exclusive premiere of their 2004 reunion show, Pop Art Live, on August 18th. The 28-song set features all the band favorites, including Go All The Way, I Wanna Be With You.
Yeah, here we go. We're going to use that Salford hook. Yeah, let's get it in here and let's give this thing a whirl. We'll quack with it. Come on. Come on. Come on, come on. What the devil? I'm gonna change pics. I'm gonna change this Goso pic. I'm gonna use this Southwest City right. Let's see if I can break this son of a bean open. Oh, there we go. There we go. If it resists single pin picking, then it's susceptible to something else. Open. I had to rake this bugger. That took too longer than I wanted it to take. That took longer than I wanted it to take. Let's try this master number 5 again. See if this time I can get it to open again on camera. Get in there. Let's try this pick. So, Goso hook. Attention, bitch. Oh, there we go! There we go! Alright! There we go! There we go! Alright! Oh, there we go! There we go! Alright! Yeah! That's what I wanted to happen. What? I thought you talking to my own phone, Grimbo. I mean, Jeff, bro. Oh.
What's going there? There's all right.
Because I finally got that lock open on camera.
There you did.
Yes. Sorry, folks. I was talking to my brother in the background. Open. I don't know if that's an actual pick or if I just bypassed this thing. I don't care. It's open. That was quick. Got one more lock. And then I'm going to end this video. I'm going on 9 minutes. I'm going to use another little Chinese lock from Dollar General. I'm going to use the same pick. Here we go. I think I'm going to use the same pick. Maybe not. Maybe not. Maybe not. Okay, we'll change. We'll try this one. Another Goso. This thing's super thin. Let's check. Alright. Folks, you hear something in the background. That's my brother being an idiot. He's being a moron. He's being a moron, and I don't know why.
All right now. I'm gonna record the video.
What?
I'm gonna record the video.
No, you won't.
Yeah, I will.
No, you won't.
I've been a moron.
I said you were acting like one in the background. You know what? I'm just going to forget about this lock. Looks like I'm going to have to lube up the core on this lock. Looks like this lock's core is seized. Plus, this rivet right here, the retention wrench keeps getting caught on it, so this core is not even moving. I'm going to have to lube up the core on this lock. So I'm just going to end this video right here with that. Okay, I'm going to peace out. Don't give Locksport a bad name. Do not pick any locks you do not own. If you don't own them, get permission from those who do own them. If they're yours, make sure they're not in use. If they are in use, don't pick them. Only pick ones you're not using. And with that, have a good day, folks. I'll see y'all next time.